Welcome to an analysis of patenting 3D printing innovations, specifically within the field of education. 3D printing is rapidly transforming how students learn and interact with complex concepts. The technology is moving beyond simple models, deeply integrating into curricula from primary schools to advanced research. Protecting these educational innovations through patents is crucial to securing investment and maintaining a competitive edge. To successfully patent a 3D printing educational tool, we must first meet key patentability requirements. The innovation must be novel and non-obvious, meaning it cannot be something already known or easily derived from existing teaching methods or 3D printing applications. Utility is paramount. The innovation must demonstrate a specific, beneficial application in the learning process, offering a clear advantage over traditional methods. Now let's look at specific educational applications that are ripe for patent protection. Patenting 3D models for visualizing complex subjects, like intricate biological structures, ensures that your unique design remains protected. Innovative methods of using 3D printing to create customized, adaptive learning experiences for students can also be patented. If your innovation includes the software or curriculum that integrates with the 3D printer, protect that as well, especially if it defines the novel learning experience. A strong intellectual property strategy involves more than just meeting the basic requirements. It's important to distinguish between patenting the method of teaching versus the physical apparatus or product used, often requiring dual protection for comprehensive coverage. For educational technology with global potential, developing an international filing strategy is essential to protect your IP across key markets. In summary, patenting 3D printing innovations in education requires careful planning and a clear focus on novelty, utility, and strategic filing. Remember to document your invention thoroughly, ensure novelty, and consider both method and product claims to safeguard your educational technology. The future of 3D printing in education is bright, and securing your intellectual property now will allow you to shape that future.